Hi, my name is Ms. Harden, and today I'm going to show you how to place a hold using the online catalog. The first thing you will need to do is log in, which is found in the right-hand corner of your screen. You will log in using your SISD credentials. The next thing you do is you will type in the book that you would like to read. So we'll type in Because of Winn-Dixie by Kate DiCamillo. And you can see that we have the book both in English and in Spanish. If you would like to choose this book, you're going to click Place Hold. And then it's very important that you choose the second option. I want a specific copy at America's High School and submit the hold. Now you will see next to your name that you have a hold. To be able to see your holds, you're going to click where it reads View Loans, and then over to your left, click on Holds, and now you have the books that you have on reserve. If you decide at some point that you do not want this book, it's easy to take it off of hold. Let me show you how to do that. What you will do is you will click that you would like to cancel this hold, very bottom, cancel hold, and now the book has been removed. Your hold will then be sent to your librarian, and she will pull it off the shelf for you and have it ready for checkout. Have a good day.